decorating Barbara.
Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to share with you how I styled my entry table, the garland over my bookcase, and I'm going to share with you how I use Dollar Tree ribbon to glam up my dining room curtains. Okay guys, so this is going to be pretty easy and pretty quick, and it's going to have a lot of impact once I'm done. So basically I'm going to take the ribbon and I'm going to place it in 3 different areas along the curtain. I just want it to look like there's 3 stripes. I don't want it to look over busy, so I'm just going to place 3 ribbons down the front of the curtains, and I'm going to attach it at the top, and then there's about 6 inches left. My curtains are 96 inches long, and so I'm just going to tuck the extra underneath. So let me get my ladder and then I'll show you how it looks. And this is how they turned out. I think they look pretty nice. And just remember, this is just temporary. It's just something to bring that warm fall glow into the dining room. I'm also going to share with you how I decorate this garland, and this is going to go on top of my bookcase in my study. It is a pretty garland on its own, but I think I need to add just a little bit more color, or just more for the room that I'm going to put it in. It looks pretty, but it just needs something else. So it's not going to be much, but I will add a little texture probably. Yeah, texture. Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here's the garland, and I just have it laying here on the table with a few items that I'm thinking I might add to it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and glue things down, and I won't really know how it's going to look until I take it into the space. Okay, so I added some pumpkins and some gourds, and I think it looks really nice. Now let's bring in the stuff. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. I think that it's neutral and it's not too much and it's just enough, and I like the feel in the space when I'm in here. So here in the entry, I wanted to keep things pretty simple, so I just placed a small pumpkin on the table with some fall leaves and berries, and then I added a pair of candlesticks with some votive cups from the Dollar Tree. And of course, I always like to have a lamp on the table to greet my guests as they enter. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I hope you come back for more fall decorating tips and ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend, everyone.